Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like tabula ads or like that, some softwares from your ZTE Blade A53. So at the start you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that. When you try to visit inside, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So the first method, go to the settings, then go to the apps, and now choose all apps. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just tap on it, click on install and click OK. After that, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Now just tap on the storage and cache and tap on the manage space. Tap on the clear all data and click OK. After that, your web browser shall be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I am using Avast, so we can launch it now. And in this application, click on the continuous free and tap on the scan now. Choose allow and grant the permission. Go back to the app. Choose the deep scan. And after scanning process, all of the notification softwares shall be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.